Hello, everyone. So, what is this word, a Pyrrhic victory? Well, it's a great little phrase, and it's one that has to do with a bit of Roman and Greek history. And the term itself actually simply means when you have a victory, but it comes at such a grave cost, it's not much of a victory. It's a great term you can use in all your English classes. So, where does it come from? Well, let me tell you the quick little story of how we get this word or phrase, Pyrrhic victory. It has to do with, again, some Roman history around the year 280 BC as the Roman Republic is expanding from Italy, going to the southern part of Italy. There was a city in southern Italy you could see here called Tarentum. And in that city, as the Romans were moving down, the Greeks down in southern Italy said, "Hey, fellow Greeks, we need help. These Romans are invading us." And so they go to the king of Epirus. The king of Epirus, here's Epirus right there. It's a little kingdom in Greece, and they had a king named Pyrrhus. And they say, "Pyrrhus, will you help us fight against the Romans?" And Pyrrhus said, "Of course I will help you, my fellow Greeks." And he does. The thing is, he wins these battles against the Romans, but every time he wins a battle, it comes at such a grave cost that it's really not much of a victory. And so we have one historian named Plutarch who accounted Pyrrhus as saying, "If we win another such battle against the Romans, we will be completely lost." So the losses were so grave, it wasn't much of a win. So next time you want to describe an event like that, you would say Pyrrhic victory. I heard once in sports analogy where a player, the best player of our team gets hurt. The team wins the game, but the best player gets hurt. So they had a Pyrrhic victory because it came at such a great cost. All right, so another one of those cool little word origins. Hope you enjoyed that. Short and sweet. I have a few other word origins you can kind of watch on my channel. And as always, please subscribe, maybe kind of be fun. Maybe leave some comments on what word origins you might want to learn about from the Greeks or the Romans. That might be something fun to explore. All right, thank you, everyone.